The laydown stitch in Hatch 3 is useful for both utilitarian and decorative purposes, and it's particularly useful for textured fabrics such as terry cloth. In this course, we'll combine laydown with monograms and included designs for some quick summer beach towel designs. In this course, we have lessons for Personalizer, Composer, and Digitizer. Using the laydown tool makes adding these stitches quick and easy. It's just a few clicks. And when the stitches are placed, they're automatically positioned at the top of the sequence docker behind your design. You can place the laydown stitches behind the full design, behind all objects, or just selected objects. There are 3 ways to apply the laydown stitch. You can access the laydown control panel through the laydown tool on the context bar or in one of the toolboxes. You can place laydown stitch via the monogramming tool on the Borders tab. And you can apply a laydown fill to a closed shape. And we have 3 ways to use the laydown. It's great at taming texture to keep those design objects from becoming lost in the nap or the pile. You can use it to create embossed monogram designs. And you can also use it to add global underlay. In this course, we'll have 3 project techniques. The first one is with monograms, and we'll talk about when to include laydown as part of the monogram and when to add it as a separate object. You'll also learn how to repurpose parts of a design and combine them with lettering for a new design. Split monograms are very popular these days. We'll take a ready-made design from the included Hatch library and we'll split it. We'll digitize some waves, and then we'll add some lettering. And of course, we'll add laydown stitches behind it so it works well on our towel. You can also see this one has a custom basting stitch. So what will you get with this course? Well, you'll get lessons for Personalizer, Composer, and Digitizer. There are 8 illustrated step-by-step lessons with videos. You'll create 4 monograms, plus these 2 larger designs for beach towels. And of course, we'll have tips for stitching on terry cloth. Separate try-it lessons give you a chance to practice the techniques. You also get the wave artwork so that you can make this wave for the split monogram. And you'll get 6 finished EMB files. You can find this project and more in the All Access area of the Hatch Academy.